Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Anker 3-in-1 cube with Qi 2. So, pretty cool charger. It's a 3-in-1. Charges your phone, iPhone, watch, and your AirPods all in one. Ooh. Here's the stats. Cool. Here's the other side. All right, let's get into it. They got similar pull tabs like how Apple has them. This is an exclusive to the Apple store, I believe. So I think you can only buy this from the Apple store. Oh, pretty cool. Comes in this. Oh, pretty sturdy. Oh, what? Oh, that's pretty cool. So this is for the watch. It's press it, but it retracts. That's pretty neat. So multiple angles you can have for your phone to charge this at different angles. Then you can put your AirPods charging here, watch charging here, and your phone, iPhone charging here. Anker comes in gray and white. This is the gray version, obviously, and USB-C. So yeah, it's very cool. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.